Welcome to Oak Point Farm on this breezy but warm October evening. It's still about 60 degrees and there are quite a number of flights still coming in and out of a number of hives. Some are more active than others, of course, such as 49 here not showing much of anything. 14 a few bees. 46 here was our robbing victim the other day that we got finally stopped, thankfully. They're doing quite well now. I just left that reducer in place just to make sure. I'll replace it with the smaller opening later on. These hives are kind of quiet, as most are. Lucky number 13 though is always active. 17, right, sister? Not a lot going on through here though. Most hives have come in and are clustering for the evening. Some nice activity right up here. Just another interesting evening in the apiary. As always, thanks for watching. Until next time.